Welcome to this new series of videos, Photography Misconceptions. I try to answer a lot of questions in Facebook groups and forums, and frequently I see some misconceptions popping up, so I will use this series to clarify those and explain things. Today's topic: do multiple focus points get multiple parts of your image in focus? I often read that people think that the more focus points they use, the more parts of their image will be in focus. That would be super awesome, but I'm afraid that's not the case. Think of focus as a layer or a plane. That plane is parallel to your camera and can only be on one single spot. So it is this or that focus point, and not this and that focus point. If you choose multiple focus points, the camera will usually choose the one closest to you and focus on it. If you want more of your image in focus, you can change your aperture setting. The larger your f number, the bigger the area that is in focus. You sure watched our Ethics of Aperture series. If not, check them out, it's worth it. Another interesting thing to know: the focus area ranges roughly 1/3 to the front and 2/3 to the back from the point you focused on. So in group shots, remember to make use of this fact and focus on a person that is somewhere in the middle of the z-axis. That's about it for this episode. We also plan to answer photography questions soon, so if you have a photography related question you'd like to get answered in a video, let us know in the comments. So stay tuned and subscribe for more photography misconceptions. If this video was helpful for you, please help us rank higher in YouTube searches by subscribing, leaving a comment, or simply spreading the word.